In Sketch environment, first commands series is create, and the first command is point. Run the command and move the mouse on graphic window, and see its position in X and Y. Move it on 4 different areas and see the X and Y in positive and negative values. It's enough to click to complete the point creation. So good. And the next command is line. Run it and then, now move the mouse, and define the start point of line. OK. Also you can write your desired value as X and Y, use the Tab key, and complete the job. OK, it's so good. You can use the positive or negative values, and press Enter key to complete the start point creation. OK. Again move the mouse, you can see the line preview. OK, now you can click on desired point in graphic area, move the mouse and test it. Also you can write your desired length value. To do it, press the Tab key and write the value. And then you can write the angle value, define the length and angle values and finish it. Now line is completed, move the mouse again and you can make another line, press Escape key to cancel. Next command is spline based on control vertex, click to define the start point. OK, it's so good. Now click and create several points respectively and see the spline. Try to do it and complete the job. OK. OK the command and then you can drag and move this control vertex to edit the spline shape. OK, so good. Test it more and next command is spline interpolation. Create a spline through selected points. It's enough to make several points respectively to see the new spline in graphic window. It's so easy. OK. Test it more and make a complete spline in graphic window and finally check it out. OK, good. And then you can drag this points to edit the spline shape, do it and complete the job. OK, it's so good. Next command is equation curve. Create a curve from user-specified equation. Test it yourself later. OK. Next command is bridge curve. Run the command and then select these 2 curves. Now you can see the result. Next command is center point circle. Run it and then move the mouse and define the circle center point. Also you can write your desired value in X and Y, do it and then move the mouse again to define the diameter. Click to finish or write your desired value in diameter box, complete the job. Next command is tangent circle. Run the command and then, here, select these 3 lines respectively and complete the job. OK, it's good. Now test this command on this other different 3 lines, complete the job and check it out. It's so good. And the next command is ellipse. Run the command and first define the center point of ellipse. OK, good. Now move the mouse and define the first diameter of ellipse, move it again and define the second diameter. Complete the job and check it out. OK, it's so good. The next command is 3-point arc. Run it and then first click to define the start point. Second click define the end point of arc. You can write the length and angle value on its boxes. OK, good. And then third click define the midpoint of arc, move the mouse. Also you can write this value here, OK. Next command is tangent arc, run it and select this endpoint of arc, now move the mouse, OK, it's good. You can see the tangent arc preview, also you can write and edit this angle and this length values, so good. Do it and complete the job. Next command is center point arc, run it and then, first click is circle center point, OK, move the mouse to define the circle radius and start point of arc simultaneous, complete the job and move the mouse to define end point of arc, also you can write an angle value here, finish the job, OK. OK, next command is 2-point rectangle, run it and then, it's enough to make 2 points like this, OK, also. You can write the length and width value of rectangle here, the next command is 3-point rectangle, OK. First make a simple line, start point and end point, and its options. Angle and length, OK, it's so good. Now you can only move the mouse perpendicular to the previous line and complete the 3D point rectangle. Also you can write the length of rectangle in the box, complete the job and next is 2-point center rectangle. Run the command and first click to define the center point of rectangle. OK, again move the mouse and then click to finish, or write the length and width values of rectangle in this boxes, complete the job, OK, good. Next command is 3-point center rectangle, run it and then, first click to define the center of rectangle. Move the mouse and you can write the length and angle value of line. Make a line with a optionally angle. Then move the mouse again and click to finish, or write a width value of rectangle and complete the job. Next command is slot, make a simple line, start point and end point, and its options, length and angle. OK. And then move the mouse to define the slot diameter, also you can write your desired value on box, OK. Next is overall slot, run the command and similar to previous command, make a line, start and end point. And then move the mouse to complete the slot, but you can see the difference between these two slots. OK. Next is center point slot, run the command and first click to define the center point of slot, complete the line, length and angle, and then move the mouse and finish it, so easy to use. Next is 3-point arc slot, OK. Run the command and then, again make a line, start point and end point, length and angle, OK, so good. Complete the job and make a arc, OK, again move the mouse and define the slot diameter, OK, so good. Do it and finish the job and next is center point arc slot, run the command and then, first make a circle. First point is circle center, second point determine the radius of arc, line length and its angle, so good. You can write both of them, click here, and this is start point of arc, move the mouse and then specify the end point of arc, and then move the mouse and define the diameter of slot. OK, it's so good. And the next command is polygon, and in dialog box, select inscribed or circumscribed, and then here. Number of sides, so easy to use, test it and check it out. The next command is fillet. Run the command and, here you can specify the fillet radius, for example 300 mm. Now select these two lines respectively, and you can see the fillet preview. Again repeat this command and move the mouse on this corner and make another fillet. Also test it on other corner sharp edges. OK. Try to do it and complete the job. Test the fillet command more and more in graphic window and check it out. And the next command is chamfer. Run it and then, here is 3 different modes. Distance, its icon is here. Next is distance 1 and distance 2, and next is distance and angle. Test all of them in graphic window. Next command is text and geometry text. Check it out and test both of them in graphic window, so easy to use. Next command is project geometry. We have a 3D body in graphic window. First select this plane and then enter to sketch environment, run the command and then select this faces respectively and then you can see this curves. Complete the selection and finally check the projected curve on sketch plane. Test it on other sketch planes. OK, so good. Next command is project cut edges. Test it on this two standard planes, so easy to use. OK.